Welcome to everyone. Today we are going to learning into the data science libraries. What are the libraries required for data scientist? We need to go for one by one. Okay. First, Python. Python is one of the programming language. Based on the Python, we need to implementing into the entire data science application. Here, Python programming language is a major role into the data science application. Okay, we need to go for one by one Python. After then, some libraries required into to build into the data science application. First one is a pandas. Pandas is one of the library to manipulating the data, or else we need to analyzing the data in different manner. Those data like as a CSV file, or else API, or else data database related data. This data we need to manipulating. Manipulation means we need to do multiple operations. Those operations is called as a we need to do cleaning operation, transformation operation, filtering operation, grouping operation, and aggregating operations. We can do this kind of operation into the pandas. Pandas having two kinds of data types. First one is a series and the second one is a data frame. Series is a like as a one-dimensional data structure. I will show you in practically one by one operation in series. And data frame is a multi-dimensional data structures. By using of data frame, we can do these kinds of operations. Next one, NumPy. NumPy means numerical Python. Py means Python. Here, major thing is we need to do multiple operations. Like as a how the array will performing here numpy like as a do those kinds of operations, but array is a fixed length of the data. We cannot do any kind of operation, but numpy can do multiple operations. Here we can get the data, a large amount of data. We can do different kinds of operation by using the statistical functionality base. Next one is a matplotlib. Matplotlib is one of the library. By using of Matplotlib, we need to creating the charts. What kind of charts means we need to do bar chart, line chart, scatter chart, histogram. Why we need to implement? Why we need to use this Matplotlib means we need to visualizing the data. The data should be we can easily understand by using of charts. Next one, CBAR. CBAR means it is also high dimensional visualization process by using of statistical operations. Here also we can do different kinds of plots, pair plots, or else heat map. We can do different kinds of operations using the statistical wise. Next library, scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is one of the library to implementing into the machine learning operations. Here by using of scikit-learn, we can implementing into the different kinds of algorithms. Those algorithms comes from the machine learning, like as a regression algorithm, classification algorithm, clustering algorithm. We can do these kinds of algorithms into the scikit-learn. Next one, TensorFlow. This TensorFlow, which is related to deep learning as well as machine learning, wise we need to use this one. By using of the TensorFlow, we can build neural network operations and image recognition operation, NLP operations. We can do time series operations also. Here, scikit-learn and TensorFlow, which is related to machine learning as well as deep learning libraries. Next one, Keras, which is a one of the deep learning library to creating into the neural network operations. By using of API, do we can fetching the data in API wise, and then we can do deep learning operations. Next one, sci-fi. Sci-fi means scientific operation. That means we can do scientific operation, like I say, statistical wise and logarithm and mathematical operation we can do into the sci-fi operation means sci-fi library. Plotly is one of the library to get into the web-based visualizations. That means when we are using into the Plotly, we need to creating the dynamic environment. Then we need to creating the dashboards. Then we need to creating the real-time application business dashboards into the Plotly. I will show you each and every examples into the real-time example wise. Next one, NLTK, Natural Language Processing. By using of NLTK, we need to use text processing, tokenization, parts of speech, and name entity recognition, and we can do multiple operation into the NLTK wise, which is a very popular language currently. Next one, PySpark. PySpark is a, one of the big data processing, like as Hadoop. We can fetching the data, we can handle the large amount of data, and then we need to do multiple operation into the PySpark. Dask. Next one is a Dask. Dask is a like I say to handle the large amount of data. Here also we can parallelly computing and handling the large amount of data sets. Like I say, how the pandas operation can give. Here also we can manipulating the entire applications. Next one, stat modes. Here statistical operation we need to do time series analysis, and we can do statistical test modes and linear regression, time series analysis, and hypothesis testing. We can do statistic modes. Next one, Jensen. Jensen is a one of the library. By using of Jensen, we need to do allocation of the analysis, text analysis, and task like analysis. We can do multiple operation into the here. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for